A culinary pilgrimage embracing Japanese food culture. Join us on this journey as we explore the rich and diverse world of Japanese cuisine. Japan, land of the rising sun, a place where every sunrise brings new flavors and culinary experiences. A country where tradition and modernity intertwine seamlessly. Here, ancient customs coexist with cutting-edge innovation. It's a place where food is more than sustenance, it's an art form. An expression of culture, history, and meticulous craftsmanship. A journey for the senses. Each dish tells a story, each flavor a chapter in the grand narrative of Japanese culinary tradition. From the bustling streets of Tokyo, with its neon-lit ramen shops and endless variety of street food, to the serene temples of Kyoto, where vegetarian Buddhist cuisine reigns supreme, offering a peaceful and reflective dining experience. Japan offers a culinary adventure unlike any other. From sushi to tempura, from ramen to kaiseki, the diversity is astounding. To truly understand Japan, you must taste it. Each bite is a step closer to understanding the soul of this incredible country. To savor the umami of dashi, the foundational broth that forms the base of so many dishes, the delicate sweetness of mochi, a treat enjoyed during festivals and celebrations, the clean, crisp bite of pickled ginger, which refreshes the palate and enhances the flavors of each meal. Come with me as we delve into the heart of Japanese cuisine, exploring its history, its customs, and its remarkable diversity. Together, we'll uncover the secrets behind each dish and the passion that goes into every meal. Beyond sushi, unveiling the variety in Japanese dishes. Sushi, with its artful presentation and delicate flavors, might be Japan's most famous culinary ambassador. Each piece is a work of art, meticulously crafted by skilled chefs who have honed their techniques over years of practice. But Japanese cuisine is so much more than raw fish and vinegared rice. It is a rich tapestry of regional specialties and seasonal ingredients, reflecting the country's diverse landscapes and climates. Think steaming bowls of ramen, noodles bathed in rich savory broths. Each region of Japan offers its own unique take on this beloved dish, from the miso-based broths of Hokkaido to the tonkotsu, or pork bone broth of Kyushu. Picture crispy tempura, seafood and vegetables, light as air. The batter is delicate, allowing the natural flavors of the ingredients to shine through, and it's often served with a dipping sauce that enhances its taste. Imagine the comforting warmth of a perfectly cooked bowl of rice, each grain separate and distinct. Rice is a staple in Japanese cuisine, and its quality is a point of pride for many chefs and home cooks alike. There's yakitori, skewered chicken grilled over charcoal, offering a smoky flavor that is both simple and complex. Each skewer can be seasoned with salt or a savory tare sauce, adding layers of taste. And sukiyaki, a simmering hot pot of meat and vegetables cooked right at the table. The ingredients are often dipped in raw egg before eating, creating a rich and velvety texture. Don't forget the delicate flavors of traditional sweets like mochi and dorayaki. These treats are often enjoyed during festivals and special occasions, and they offer a sweet contrast to the savory dishes. Japanese cuisine is a tapestry of flavors and textures, a testament to the country's diverse geography and culinary ingenuity. From the mountains to the sea, each region contributes its own unique ingredients and techniques, making Japanese food a never-ending journey of discovery. The essence of umami, exploring key ingredients in Japanese cooking. Japanese cuisine is a treasure trove of unique flavors and textures, deeply rooted in tradition and seasonal bounty. Japanese cuisine is built on a foundation of fresh, seasonal ingredients. The vibrant colors and crisp textures of these vegetables are a testament to the care and dedication of Japanese farmers. But what truly sets it apart is its mastery of umami, often referred to as the fifth taste. This elusive flavor is what gives Japanese dishes their distinctive mouth-watering appeal. Umami, a savory brothy depth, is found in abundance in Japanese cooking. It's the secret behind the comforting warmth of a bowl of miso soup or the rich complexity of a simmering stew. It's in the kombu seaweed and dried bonito flakes used to make dashi, the soul of Japanese cuisine. Dashi forms the base of many dishes, infusing them with a profound umami essence. Soy sauce, fermented for months, adds a salty umami richness to countless dishes. Its deep, dark flavor is indispensable in Japanese cooking, enhancing everything from sushi to stir-fries. Mirin, a sweet rice wine, lends a subtle sweetness and depth. This ingredient balances the savory elements, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Miso, a fermented soybean paste, contributes a pungent, savory flavor to soups, marinades, and more. Its versatility makes it a staple in Japanese kitchens, adding depth and richness to a variety of dishes. These ingredients, used with a light touch, create a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. Each bite is a journey through the intricate layers of taste that define Japanese cuisine, making it a truly unforgettable experience. From mountain to sea, sourcing the freshest ingredients. The Japanese reverence for nature is evident in their approach to sourcing ingredients. Seasonality is paramount. Chefs take pride in using the freshest produce, seafood, and meats at the peak of their flavor. Fish markets are a sight to behold, overflowing with glistening fish, shellfish, and seaweed, all pulled from the surrounding waters. Vegetables cultivated with care are prized for their freshness and flavor. From the mountains come wild mushrooms and edible plants, adding earthy notes to the Japanese culinary palate. Every ingredient is treated with respect, its natural flavors celebrated. A symphony of flavors, the art of Japanese seasoning. Japanese cuisine is often praised for its delicate balance of flavors. Rather than overpowering ingredients with heavy sauces, Japanese chefs aim to enhance their natural tastes. Salt, sugar, soy sauce, mirin, sake. These are the cornerstones of Japanese seasoning. Used with restraint, they create harmony, allowing the essence of each ingredient to shine through. Pickled ginger, wasabi, and citrus fruits add bright acidic notes, cutting through richness and cleansing the palate. Herbs like shiso and mitsuba impart unique aromas and subtle flavors. Precision and passion. Traditional Japanese cooking techniques. Japanese cooking is a study in precision. Knives are wielded with expertise, transforming ingredients into works of art. Fish is filleted with surgical precision, vegetables carved into intricate shapes. Different cooking techniques, each with its own nuances, are employed to coax out optimal flavors. Steaming preserves the delicate flavors of fish and vegetables. Grilling over charcoal imparts a smoky aroma to meat and seafood. Simmering in broths allows flavors to meld and deepen. Deep frying, when done properly, results in light, crispy textures. Harmony on a plate. The aesthetics of Japanese food presentation. Japanese cuisine is a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Food presentation is an art form in itself, with chefs taking great care to arrange dishes in a visually appealing manner. Colors, textures, and heights are all taken into consideration. Dishes are often served on beautiful ceramics chosen to complement the food. Empty space is embraced, creating a sense of balance and harmony. The result is a dining experience that engages all the senses. Rituals and respect customs in Japanese dining etiquette. Dining in Japan is about more than just the food. It's an opportunity to connect with others and appreciate the cultural rituals surrounding mealtime. Before eating, it's customary to say "itadakimasu," expressing gratitude for the meal. Chopsticks are used with grace, and slurping noodles is not only acceptable but encouraged. Sharing dishes is common, fostering a sense of community. And at the end of the meal, "Gochiso-sama deshita" is uttered, expressing appreciation for the delicious food. A culinary legacy, the enduring significance of Japanese cuisine. Japanese cuisine is more than just a collection of dishes, it's a reflection of a culture deeply connected to its food. It's about respecting ingredients, honoring traditions, and appreciating the artistry involved in every step of the culinary process. From the humble bowl of rice to the most elaborate sushi platter, Japanese cuisine continues to captivate food lovers around the world. It's a culinary legacy that will undoubtedly continue to evolve and inspire for generations to come. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, explore, investigate, or manufactured, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Manufacta.